In Zambia today, the phrase killing politics doesn't just mean violence. It's a metaphor for the slow erosion of democratic contest, the suffocation of dissent, and perhaps the undermining of constitutional order. Since the coming to power of President Hakainde Hichilema, observers and critics alike have warned of a political drift, not into anarchy, but into a constitutional autocracy. At the heart of the controversy is Bill No. 7 of 2025, an amendment that would reshape the National Assembly and electoral rules, sparking accusations that it's a power play more than a democratic reform. But when the highest court declared the bill unconstitutional, it raised another question. If the court says no, should political actors still push it through? Or is that bypassing the very constitutional framework meant to protect democracy? Then there's lawfare, the use of courts, laws, and legal institutions to target political opponents. Critics argue it's not about justice, but strategy. Opponents say some of these actions amount to a political killing of voice and opposition, executed under the guise of constitutional process. In this context, killing isn't about bullets. It's about stripping opposition of its power, its platforms, its constitutional protection. How constitutional is that? When institutions meant to safeguard democracy, courts, parliaments, civil society, are themselves instrumentalized politically, we must ask, are these simply reforms or a quiet dismantling of democratic checks? And when political violence rises, when dissent is punished not just on the streets but in courtrooms, what are we preserving? The letter of the Constitution or its spirit? Zambia is a nation at a crossroads. Its constitution is more than a document. It's a contract between the people and the state. If power is consolidated not through force, but through legal architecture, who decides whether that architecture is still democratic? Reflective closing. In asking how constitutional can killing Zambian politics be, we're not just questioning law. We're questioning legitimacy. We're questioning whether a system remains true to its highest ideals or whether it becomes a tool for silencing. Because in a democracy, silence is not harmless, it's consequential.